But you know what? It could happen that when you are cooking, something from inside can go to outside. You can make a whole mess in your kitchen. Yes, it can happen. Depends on what you are cooking inside, that you will have a mess in your kitchen. And you know what? I was thinking, what can you do? Do you want to know? Do you want to know what to do in order not to have a mess in your kitchen? I have the answer for you, you know. Yes, the answer for you, it's my next item. So, I have this frying pan, but I'm afraid not to make a mess in my kitchen. So the next one should be something like this. Yes, something like this. It can be very handy, you know. You can do it like this. You have a hole here to evacuate some smoke, and you can cook without any fear, so you won't have a mess in your kitchen. Yes, you need this one. And you know why this one? And you don't use another one. Ooh, as a male who's cooking, you need to see what is inside. Just because an ordinary male, we don't have too much knowledge about cooking. So we need to see what's cooking inside. You know? Just to be sure that it's not too overcooked. So always I need to look what we have inside. You have no fear, just because this is tempered glass, so it won't break. It can resist very, very high temperature. Very, very high temperature. I don't know if I can go to the beach and have like this to cook myself, you know. I don't know. Maybe if I put it like this, I can have more tumbling here. But I'm not sure. The reason that I need this is to put on my frying pan in order not to make a mess in my kitchen. You know, just because as a male, I usually have a lot of mess in my kitchen. This will save me for that. So I have no more mess in the kitchen.